The assault rifle changed warfare forever, but it wasn't always perfect.
Engineers faced a problem. Accuracy often came at the cost of reliability.
Early designs struggled with overheating and jamming under fire.
Every innovation was a step toward a perfect balance of power and control. Designers experimented with weight distribution to improve handling. Every adjustment mattered. Oh, from barrel length to stock design.
And this journey would set the stage for one of the most iconic weapons of all time.
The HK416 solved what others couldn't: unmatched reliability. Its long-stroke gas piston system made jamming nearly impossible.
Loose tolerances allowed it to survive sand, mud, and extreme conditions.
Engineers learned that simplicity can outperform precision. From battlefields to training grounds, the AK's impact was global.
Its design redirected recoil, making follow-up shots faster. This simple design became one of the most recognized weapons in history. The M16 prioritized precision FES, but learning came the hard way.
Direct gas impingement offered consistent accuracy at the cost of maintenance.
Engineers redesigned key components for durability.
Bolt design and locking mechanisms improved follow-up shots.
Length, rifling, and gas system tuned for accuracy and consistency.
Rails and optics integration enhanced combat effectiveness.
A battle of philosophies, reliability versus precision.
These lessons shaped modern rifles forever.
Modularity is the future. Weapons now adapt to every mission.
Quick barrel swaps and optics integration give soldiers flexibility. Every accessory changes the rifle's performance characteristics. Rails allow engineers to add or remove components without redesigning the weapon.
Optics dramatically improve target acquisition speed. Suppressors reduce sound and muzzle flash, enhancing tactical stealth.
Designers balance adaptability with weight, recoil, and ergonomics.
Polymers reduce weight without sacrificing durability.
Material choice directly impacts soldier endurance and weapon reliability.
Innovative stocks absorb recoil, improving control during rapid fire.
Alloy use strengthens critical parts while keeping rifles manageable. Over decades, material science has reshaped every rifle design.
Weight reduction without losing durability allows faster target transitions. Every component is engineered to maximize reliability, weight efficiency, and control.
Recoil isn't just force and jar. It's a science engineers mastered.
Buffer systems absorb impact, keeping the muzzle steady.
Every design tweak reduces muzzle climb during rapid fire.
Comparisons show decades of innovation in stability and ergonomics.
Adjustable stocks allow soldiers the customized fit for comfort and control.
Control during rapid fire improves accuracy and mission success. Even grips are carefully designed for optimal hand positioning. All these elements combine to create a stable, reliable firearm.
Precision optics allow shooters to acquire targets faster than ever before.
Rifling stabilizes the bullet, improving accuracy over distance.
Red dot sights reduce aiming time, giving a tactical advantage. Adjustable optics let shooters account for distance, wind, and elevation.
Modern rifles integrate technology to maximize hit probability. Understanding trajectory ensures the first shot counts.
Every improvement, from barrel to stock, impacts precision and reliability.
The culmination of decades of innovation ensures consistent performance.
Field reliability remains the ultimate test for any weapon.
Engineers design rifles to function even in mud, dust, and sand.
Quick magazine changes ensure minimal downtime in combat scenarios.
Durable materials and simplified mechanisms reduce malfunctions.
Rapid fire capability combines precision with reliability.
Modern designs outperform older models in accuracy, weight, and durability. Optimized gas systems reduce recoil and increase rate of fire.
Integration of optics, grips, and suppressors enhances operational efficiency.
From HK416 to modern modular rifles, each design reflects decades of innovation.
Engineers balance accuracy, reliability, and adaptability for every mission. Material advancements make rifles lighter, stronger, and more durable.
Modularity ensures one weapon can perform multiple roles efficiently. Every era, every conflict, shaped the rifles we see today. From simple beginnings to modern marvels, the assault rifle tells a story of ingenuity, engineering, and evolution.